Back to First Alert Weather. We want to take a live look outside from our Walnut Grove sky camera, which is way up there. You could see it as you're traveling south on I-5 right off to the right there, way up the top of that tower. And we could see a lot of haze out there, the sun poking through. But you know what? Tomorrow this time, we probably are not going to be seeing much of that.
Which is a bummer. I was in my car earlier, Nick, and it said 73 on my dashboard.
Yeah, it was nice and warm out there today. You know, yesterday was, I think, the highlight of the whole week, you know, with the weather, the sunshine. I mean, we could take that for several days, but not anymore. The pattern is setting up here. We have a very busy stretch of weather coming our way, very impactful weather. Two storms, both will be atmospheric river events in California, and the first one starts to move in by this time tomorrow. So ahead of that, flood watches go into effect. Winter storm warnings go into effect for tomorrow all the way into Friday. In fact, winter storm warnings are extending into the weekend due to winter driving conditions. In fact, near whiteout conditions are expected for a period of time, especially late tomorrow. The valley also watching for some higher winds as we get into the dinner time frame tomorrow. That's why we have a wind advisory in place across the Sacramento Valley and parts of the Central Valley as well. That storm system, strong area of low pressure right here, and we're tapping into the some of that subtropical moisture. You can see the ribbon of clouds coming right up, and that's your atmospheric river that will be impacting California as we move into tomorrow. So I think the early morning hours starting off dry, but once the showers begin to push east of the coastal ranges, we'll start to see the weather deteriorate by the evening commute tomorrow. Plenty of clouds around as well. Here's how the forecast plays out by 3 or 4 o'clock. The heaviest rain still just off to the west tomorrow. We will start to see those southeast winds increasing, and that's going to do a couple of things. One, bring in some mild air, so that's why the snow levels are starting off at about 6,000 to 7,000 feet. Very high snow levels tomorrow at the start of this storm, but that southeast wind's also going to transport some more moisture in our direction, and that's going to lead to some heavier precipitation. So as we get to about 9-10 o'clock tomorrow, we'll likely see a band of some pretty heavy rainfall coming in across the valley into the foothills, and then also some very heavy snow tomorrow night into Thursday for the Sierra. And we'll see the rainfall turn to more showery in nature by Thursday. These may be thunderstorms too, especially if we break out with more sunshine by Thursday, helps destabilize the atmosphere. Thunderstorms Thursday may contain some dangerous cloudy ground lightning strikes, perhaps some small hail. So watch for those storms on Thursday, and then by Friday, some residual showers and more snow coming in across the Sierra. I want to break down the wind component a little bit further as we move into tomorrow evening, about 7-8 o'clock or so. Those southeast winds will be increasing, sustained at about 25 to 35 miles per hour. But there's going to be a few hours tomorrow evening we'll see those gusts approaching 45 to as high as 55 miles per hour across the Sacramento Valley. And that will be enough to bring down some tree limbs and result in some isolated outages. So we're going to be monitoring that for you. Watch those winds establish. It's not going to be all night though. By Thursday morning, the winds start to diminish, but we're still holding on to the rainfall. How much rain are we looking at by Friday? About 1 to 2 inches across the southern Sacramento Valley, a little bit less as you head further south, and a few inches of rain coming in across the foothills, but a lot of snow for the highest elevations above 5,000 feet where it stays all snow throughout much of this event. And then areas in yellows where we're most concerned about when it comes to some of the ponding of water. We will see the rivers and streams continue to rise with this, but I don't expect to see many issues along those rivers and streams. But the main concern when it comes to the potential for flooding is the poor drainage to low-lying areas. So we get through tomorrow night by Thursday. Friday, still a fairly active day. And then on Sunday, another First Alert Action Day. This will be another atmospheric river event, more heavy rain, very heavy snow, perhaps some more strong winds on Sunday. So that's another day to watch as we get into this weekend into early next week. Curtis?